Keeping track of tasks, meetings, and reminders can get overwhelming fast. In this video, I'll show you how to use Dola AI from start to finish. We'll cover setting up your account, adding reminders, managing your schedule, and using AI to organize your day more efficiently. So let's get started. First, open the Dola AI website or mobile app. Choose your preferred sign-in method, such as Google or Apple, and complete the login process. If you're new, simply create an account by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, Dola AI may ask to connect your calendar. This lets the assistant see your existing schedule so it can help organize upcoming events. Go ahead and choose the calendar service you use, then grant the requested permissions. Now it's time to create your first reminder. Instead of filling out multiple fields manually, just type or speak a natural sentence like, "Remind me to call John tomorrow at 9 in the morning." Dola AI automatically understands the date, time, and task. Besides reminders, you can also schedule meetings and personal events. Simply describe what you want, including the date, time, and event name. Dola AI converts your message into a calendar event with very little effort. If plans change, open your reminder or event and edit the details. You can change the time, update the description, postpone tasks, or remove items you no longer need. Everything stays organized in one place. Dola AI also helps with planning your day. You can ask questions about your schedule, check what's coming up, or quickly create multiple reminders through simple conversations. The more naturally you communicate, the more useful the assistant becomes. Before you finish, make sure notifications are enabled on your device. This ensures Dola AI can alert you when it's time for meetings, deadlines, or important reminders. And that's how you use Dola AI to organize reminders, events, and daily tasks. Once you start using natural language commands, scheduling becomes much faster and easier. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.